I'm at Food Lion about to do some grocery shopping. I'm making red beans and rice today. It's Monday, but they have blackberry plants. I think that's hibiscus right there. Grape trees or plants, blueberry, lots of blooming plants. They have peppers, raspberries. There's blueberries right there. You can kind of see where they're coming in at. There you go. And then over here, there's like tons of blooming plants. I almost thought I found a Hoya, but nope, it's just a blackberry plant. But as you can see, they have so many plants. Like it's freaking ridiculous how many plants they have. But we're gonna look inside. They might have some indoor plants inside as well. So I decided to come back to food. Well, I didn't decide. I had to come back for food. And then I found these. The other day, there was literally just one. It was just that one right there. And the brown pot. But now they have a bunch of assorted, like, arrangements. And they have hand-grafted weeping pussy willows, which I've never seen in person. I think these are the trees that make that smell during the springtime when they bloom. What the hell? And then they have these little assorted planters with Photonia and some type of blooming plant. I don't know. Don't want to offend those that are sticklers for plant names. It's funny when y'all leave those. What is that on my... Oh, I got pollinated on. So cute. Fuck. This is probably the wrong place to be when you're having allergies, huh? Okay, so yeah. That was the plants that were at Food Lion. I think I'm just gonna make this like a separate video. Food Lion has such great prices for food. That's all I gotta say. I don't know. My skin's doing a little bit better. Yeah, so thanks for watching. This is the Food Lion plant shop with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Yo.